Hey guys, what's up you all? Welcome back to my channel and you're listening to me today because my broken ass was too tired to film my intro after shooting for 5 long hours. Hey yo, voiceover with Tanuja check. For today's video, we are doing a Diwali book look. Yes, book look. Anyways, I've curated 5 outfits for the festive season and I hope you guys enjoy watching this one because at the end of the day, we're all here to have a good time and get some outfit inspo from each other. So ladies and girls, sisters and mothers, chachi nani mami tai bua fufi didi mose. Let's get started.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Presenting to you all the first look of this book look, and I absolutely love how this one has turned out. So basically I paired up my white cotton kurta with a white chicken palazzo pant, and because there is a lot of space to play around with, it's all white. I added this printed dupatta, and to match with it I wore green heels and added these beautiful silver jhumki earrings. Then again I have my silver ring on, and I do think that this look is such a classic look. Again, something that is very easily available in our wardrobes. अगर आपके पास कुर्ता नहीं है तो मम्मी के पास तो मिल ही जाएगा. So bringing to you all a genuine last minute outfit which is perfect for your formal office parties or card parties. There is something so much amazing about a whole white ensemble, and for this outfit I've paired up my white pants with a white shirt, and to add a pop of color I'm wearing green heels, green earrings and green sort of like single clips, and I think that adds so much to the outfit. Like, it literally gives life to the outfit. And to keep up with the festivities, I've paired it up with this gold toned bag. I've added green elements. You can literally add red, orange, yellow or whatever color that you love, but accessories do play a very important role in taking your look from zero to hero. Talking about this one, I never really thought in my wildest dreams that I could pull off this sort of a chatak kurta for the festive season, but I think when paired right, colors do look very pretty during the festive season. So I basically used my grey lehenga which has a lot of cancan inside and paired this kurta with this outfit, and then again I wore my grey heels and I paired up silver jewelry this time to amp up the look. Although the detailings of the outfit is in gold, but I really like mixing metals, that's why I paired it up with silver and did some sort of a bohemian makeup. And again, to add to the festive vibe, I added a black bindi, did some curls, and if you've watched my hairstyle video, you know how to make this one, and I really love how this one looks. It does, it kind of looks edgy, but it looks so pretty. Are we able to figure out what this outfit is all about? So basically I paired up my black formal pants with a black crop top and added this ethnic jacket over it. Now this jacket has been lying in my wardrobe since forever. This is from a lehenga set that I got for a wedding, and I think this is the best use that I could put it through. So it looks perfectly fine. It's very comfortable. I paired it up with golden earrings. I middle parted my hair, and there you go. It looks super chic, super nice. I love how this one looks. Very comfortable, and then again it has this touch of modernity that really brings out something in this look. So I'm disclosing this right now. This is my Diwali look and I love the way it looks. So I've paired this very basic plain sort of a grey kurti with a red ghagra which I already had in my closet, and then to accessorize I used my golden earrings, which if you guys have seen my haul you know where this earring is from, and then some churis, a traditional sort of a silver ring, plain basic grey heels, and a little sort of a portal bag, and you're good to go. I think this outfit is so comfortable. You can literally do all your home chores in this one, and yet again it looks so festive that I absolutely fell in love with myself only. So really like this one. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this one. And Diwali का मौका है, बम्पर ऑफर है, तो फ्री में लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और कमेंट किए बिना कोई भी नहीं जाएगा. And I'll see you guys next time in my next video. तब तक के लिए bye bye, tata and namaste, and wish you all a very happy Diwali, cutie patooties.